Hi everyone, come and join me. Let's draw and color fear, disgust and anger. Let's start by drawing fear. Fear is a purple character who gets scared easily. He has big, wide eyes and a long nose. Fear wears a bow tie and a sweater vest. He jumps and trembles when he's worried about something. Fear helps Riley stay safe by being careful and thinking about what could go wrong. Even though Fear is often nervous, he helps Riley avoid danger and make smart choices. Fear gets scared and shakes when he's worried. Can you show me your scared face? Fear shows us that it's okay to be scared sometimes. What helps you feel brave when you're scared? Time to add some color. Incredible! Now, let's draw disgust. Disgust is a green character who always has a funny face when she sees something yucky. She has a stylish dress, long eyelashes, and a big attitude. Disgust helps Riley avoid things that are gross or dangerous. She's very picky and likes to keep things just right. Disgust makes funny faces when she sees something gross. Can you make a funny face like Disgust? Disgust shows us it's okay to say no to things we don't like. What do you do when you don't like something? It's time to color. Wonderful! Then, I'm drawing anger. Anger is a red character with a fiery temper. He He has a square head, a short tie, and always looks like he's about to explode. When anger gets really mad, flames shoot out of his head. He's loud and shouts when things don't go his way. Even though anger gets upset easily, he helps Riley stand up for herself and say what's important. When anger gets mad, his face turns bright red. Can you make a face like anger? Anger teaches us that it's okay to be upset sometimes. What can you do to feel better when you're angry? Time to add some color. Amazing! We did a great job! And there you have it! I hope you have fun today! Thanks for watching!